In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely delete your website. In Hostinger 2025, remove a website from Hostinger. If you've decided a site is no longer needed, I'll walk you through the exact path to remove it from your Hostinger account safely and completely. Before we begin, remember that deleting a website is permanent. It erases your site's files, databases, and related content from your hosting space, and it can't be undone. If there's anything you might need later, consider downloading a backup first. Start by logging into your Hostinger panel. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Websites. Click it to open a list of every site you've created under your account. This page is your central hub for managing each site, so take a moment to identify the exact website you want to remove. Double check the domain name and any visual cues to make sure you're working with the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites. Next to the website you want to delete, you'll see a 3 dots icon, sometimes called the Options or More menu. Click that icon to reveal the available actions, then choose Delete. Hostinger will immediately prompt you with a confirmation window. This is designed to protect you from accidental removal. Read the message carefully, then tick the checkbox acknowledging that you understand the consequences. When you're ready, click Delete again. At this point, you'll see another final notice explaining that all data for your selected website will be deleted. This includes the site's files, associated databases, and any content tied specifically to that website within your hosting plan. If that's exactly what you intend, click Delete one more time to confirm. After a brief moment, the website will be removed from your list. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a second or refresh the website's view, and you should see that the entry is gone. Keep in mind, this action deletes the website's data from your hosting environment, but it doesn't cancel your hosting plan or remove your domain registration. Those are separate items in your account and would require different actions. Also, if the site still appears live for a short period, that can be due to browser or DNS caching. It typically clears on its own. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your website from Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials.